The COVID-19 pandemic is a global public health crisis caused by the spread of a novel strain of coronavirus. The virus, first identified in Wuhan, China, in December 2019, has since spread to every corner of the world, infecting millions of people and causing hundreds of thousands of deaths. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a pandemic on 11 March 2020, as the virus continued to spread rapidly across the globe. Governments and health organizations have implemented a variety of measures to slow the spread of the virus, including lockdowns, social distancing guidelines, and widespread testing and contact tracing. Despite these efforts, the virus has had a significant impact on the global economy, leading to widespread job losses and economic downturns. The pandemic has also highlighted and exacerbated existing inequalities and disparities within societies. One of the most striking examples of the impact of the pandemic can be seen in the United States, which has been one of the countries hardest hit by the virus. As of January 2021, the country had reported over 22 million confirmed cases and over 375,000 deaths. The country struggled to contain the spread of the virus, with multiple states experiencing surges in cases and hospitalizations throughout the fall and winter of 2020. The US government's response to the pandemic has been criticized for being slow and inadequate. The federal government struggled to provide enough personal protective equipment and testing supplies to healthcare workers and the general public, and was criticized for not implementing a national lockdown or consistent guidelines for social distancing. The pandemic has also had a severe impact on the US economy, with millions of people losing their jobs and businesses shutting down. The government has implemented several stimulus packages to try to mitigate the economic impact, but many people are still struggling to make ends meet. As the pandemic continues, researchers and health organizations are working to develop vaccines and treatments to help bring the outbreak under control. In December 2020, Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna vaccines were authorized for emergency use in the US, and other countries are following suit. Overall, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on the world, affecting the health, economies, and societies of countries around the globe. It has highlighted the importance of international cooperation and preparedness in the face of global health crisis and the need to address underlying inequalities and disparities within societies.